Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your MSI Center app is not working, then watch this video to find the solution. The first thing we need to do is to repair and reinstall the app. So we will look for the MSI Center app in the search bar, and then in the right pane click on app settings. Now we will click on repair till we get a check mark, and then click on reset and reset again, and this should fix the issue. If this doesn't fix the issue, then you need to reinstall the app. So you can do that by clicking on uninstall, uninstall again, and then reinstalling the app by clicking on the Microsoft Store and looking for MSI Center app. Click on get here and it should automatically download, and then you can install it. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.